Hello customers. In this video, Vihelm would like to show you how to assemble and use the Vihelm mobile isolation helmet. After checking the package is complete with all the parts according to the packing list we have provided, make sure there is no damage after transportation. Vihelm assembly instructions. Step 1. Remove the tape protector on the visor. Attach the D-gasket to the already removed tape protector above. Step 2. Peel off the protective layer of the visor on both sides. Insert the visor into the facepiece frame by putting 3 nodes on the visor into 3 holes on the facepiece frame from left to right. Double check to make sure the nodes are firmly engaged. Step 3. Turn the head top upside down. Attach the facepiece frame to the head top. Align the slides of the facepiece frame and the head top. Use both hands to pull evenly until the 2 latches fit together. Check if the latches fit completely. Step 4. Place Vihelm upside down. Locate the center position of the glove cover on the facepiece shroud. Use your hand to press the edge of the L-gasket on the facepiece shroud at the determined position to the brace that attaches the L-gasket on the helmet frame. Then, press the entire edge of the gasket to fit the L-gasket on the hem of the hat from the center to the sides until finished. If while installing the L-gasket on the edge, there is an excess of 1 to 5 cm due to the user accidentally stretching the gasket during the installation process. To solve this, customers should gradually pull the gasket to the 2 sides so that the gasket is evenly spread on the edge. After assembling Vihelm, proceed to assemble the blower. Step 1. Put the fully charged battery in the battery bag. Open the adhesive plate on the back of the battery pack and fan bag. Wear and adjust the belt size to fit your waist. Then remove and place the back belt over the adhesive plate position of the battery bag and fan case bag. Reattach the adhesive sheet to keep the 2 pockets in place on the belt. Step 2. Plug in the 2 ends of the USB cord to connect the blower and the battery. Attach the 2 snorkel ends to the blower and the connector on the top of the Vihelm. Vihelm donning and fitting instructions. After assembling the complete set of Vihelm mobile isolation helmets, if you want to use the device, follow the steps below. Step 1. Put on the suspension belt with the blower pouch and the battery pouch attached. Step 2. Turn on the battery. Turn the knob on the blower to adjust the wind speed. Step 3. Raise the Vihelm up to your face. Turn the knob on the back of the headgear shell counterclockwise to expand it. Put the top of your head into it and then bring your chin back. Turn the knob on the back of the headgear shell clockwise to adjust the size to fit your head. Pull the drawstring under the chin to fit your face. Step 4. Open the battery pouch. Thread the breathing tube through the battery pouch cover and press the latch to make the tube more neatly attached. Turn the knob on the blower case counterclockwise until the click sound is heard to turn the power off. How to use the straw valve. In the process of using the device, if you want to use a straw, you need to do the following steps. Use a soft towel with alcohol to clean the drinking straw's valve. Use hand sanitizer for your hand. Take a clean straw and plug it into the position of the sterilized straw plug valve. After taking off the drinking straw, make sure the valve is completely closed. Please stay safe, healthy and use Vihelm. Goodbye and see you again.